I used a 7/8" oxygen sensor socket to remove the O2 sensor on this 2010 Honda Odyssey. This is the sensor I removed. It's the O2 sensor after the catalytic converter, Bank 1 sensor 2. This O2 sensor is also called Downstream O2 sensor. It is really easy to remove it. Be careful working under your car. Make sure the van is safe to work under it. Use eye protection as well. Link to the O2 sensors and tools will be in the description. I easily removed the plug from under the car like this. I will show you how I unplugged it with one hand. You have to push the plug like this. This will allow the plug to be removed from where it sits. This part of the plug right here is sitting on a piece of metal. If you press this down with your finger and pull on the plug will come off from where it sits. Finally, the plug will be loose. And to disconnect the connection, you have to press this part right here. Press here and pull to remove. Yes, all this can be done from underneath the car. This is how I removed the O2 sensor. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to be a subscriber.